Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining us. We're here today to discuss supply challenges of disposable PPE and wipers, your margin and revenue post-pandemic. My name is Alex Barnes, and I am the marketing manager at Adenna.
And my name is Eva de Cespedes, and I'm the regional sales manager for the Southeast and the Midwest.
We know that you've been sitting in a bunch of different presentations yesterday and today, which can get a little bit repetitive. So here's a fun video just to mix things up and also to remember us by.
Wipe it down. 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 Wipe it down.
So we hope you caught all of that PPE and the safety products that were in that video. We are actually a manufacturer of all of those items. Now, before we get into the main portion of our presentation, many people know who we are, but for those that don't, Eva, who are we as a company?
Well, most ISA members previously knew us as Nutren Disposables, and with our parents' acquisition of Adenna back in 2017, the decision was made to merge Nutren and Adenna due to the synergies between those two companies. Now, Adenna is also a member of the Hospeco Brands Group, and Hospeco Brands Group is a collection of companies that have come together through mergers and acquisitions, which include Adenna, Acute Care, Hospeco, and Neil Odor. Now, while each of these companies market and sell the same product offering, each individual company specializes in specific channels of distribution. For example, Hospeco, their expertise lies in Jansan, food service, office supply distribution, and Adenna focuses on industrial, safety, automotive, dental, healthcare, and some niche segments as well.
So what is the value of Hospeco Brands Group to our distributor partners?
Well, going to market under a singular brand would bring and create brand recognition and pull through to the end user level, which would result in those increasing sales, account penetration, and that would be across all of Adenna categories that our distributor customers would choose to support. We will have continued growing product offerings with that signature bundle of products, such as the ones we've added recently, like facility maintenance chemicals, disposable clean room offering, pre-sat disinfecting wipes. We also have very industry-specific educational tools and training. We have industry-specific market and product expertise and continuity. We have created an all-new inclusive website that's going to be driven by distributors, industries, products, or brand.
So we've just explained our evolution from Nutren to Adenna, and now Hospeco Brands Group. How would you simply summarize who Adenna is?
Our mission is to provide meaningful solutions and services to our industrial distributor partners, and that would promote clean, safe, and productive environments for their end-use customers. And this really starts with that signature bundle of products.
Can you please explain for everyone how the signature bundle sets us apart as a manufacturer and would help our distributor customers increase their market share?
The signature bundle of products includes all of the product categories that you're going to see on your screen right now. We're an industry leader on disposable gloves, and now we've also added a complete offering of work-coated, cut-resistant, and mechanics gloves. We also have the most complete line of wiping products available from a single source. We are the largest non-meal converter and processor of wiping cloth products in North America, which includes disposable dry paper wipers, rags, and towels. Our microfiber towels, which are also part of our proprietary flat surface wiping and cleaning system. We have a new addition of pre-saturated surface cleaning and disinfecting wipes. We're a core supplier of safety products and infection control, So we've got PPE that falls under that. Again, the gloves, eye protection, breathing protection, as well as protective clothing and clean room certified products. We're also a primary manufacturer and supplier of restroom specialty items and facility cleaning chemicals, which include toilet seat covers, vended FemHi products. And when we're talking odor control, for example, we've got the AirWorks passive air system that also works in conjunction with our urinal screens, our metered aerosols. We've got facility cleaning, sanitation chemicals, and carpet care.
With all the products you just touched on, which is quite a bit, you're basically saying that we're your one-stop shop for everything around cleaning and protection for the person and their environment.
Absolutely. There's no other manufacturer out there with this exact bundle of products. We're the only manufacturer that can provide this specific bundle of products. In order to purchase this same bundle, a distributor would have to go to a redistributor. Our signature bundle would benefit our customers with several things as well. There would be lower shipping costs, fewer purchase orders, fewer invoices, which also equals to fewer man hours. It makes it easier to meet those free shipping minimums by bundling the multiple products as well. And if you think about it, we've got 15 different product categories and continually growing. And this is all from one source. So why would you not come directly to Adenna as a manufacturer, where you not only get excellent product, you get channel product expertise and the best pricing possible.
So in addition to our signature bundle that you just mentioned, what are the top 3 reasons a distributor should view us as a key supplier?
I'm going to start with flexibility. We have customization of service and support, such as, I'm going to start with freight on that. Although we've got set freight prepaid minimums, we are glad to accommodate a distributor's needs if there's, other ways that he needs to work around that. We've got a dedicated sales support. We've got a new website coming soon with dedicated customer portal, customized dropship programs. And we're also private label experts. If a customer has a private label initiative, we're here to support that. Adenna can support a distributor with private label on gloves, on wipers, on rags, sorbents, odor control, toilet seat covers, and chemicals. As an example, and something you probably don't know about us, 40% of the wipers we do now is in private label packaging for our distributors. We have the ability to do either printed packaging or adhesive labels with fairly low minimums. The second reason that you should view us as a key supplier is we offer customer-specific sales support and product training. Now, before COVID, we were always in the field with our rep partners and our distributors. We were doing those in-person training. We were offering field support at the end user level. And I really am ready to get back to that. But in the meantime, due to COVID, we became Zoom experts. We have been able to keep that momentum going by having Zoom meetings, product training via Zoom, and we have continued to help our distributors provide solutions for their end use customers. And my third reason, not the last reason, but between our leadership and sales team, Adenna has over 300 years of combined experience. We really are the experts.
With everyone that has joined our call today, and now they have a better understanding of who we are and what we do, how has the pandemic affected the supply chain?
Well, for Adenna, our supply chains that were impacted the most were disposable gloves, PPE, disposable wiping cloths, the pre-saturated disinfecting wipes and cleaning and disinfecting chemicals. And what drove this was that unprecedented worldwide demand that was emergent. It was impossible for the supply chain to respond timely enough with the existing capacities at that time. And we're just now starting to see in these first 2 quarters that production capacities are increasing to a point where we're able to meet demand. And the struggle with supply chains was also worsened by manufacturing facility shutdowns due to COVID outbreaks, which affected all levels, from that raw substrate to packaging. There was raw material shortages due to that high demand. And something that everyone is still dealing with are the exports going to Asia. They have decreased so much that it has now resulted in a shortage of shipping containers, bringing product back to other countries, which results in constant increases as well.
How have we as Adenna adapted to these supply chain challenges?
We were able to bring on many new products. We've got new cleaning and disinfecting wipes with multiple dispense options. We have expanded our wiper capacity to increase the current demand as well as new business in the future. So that's expanded wiper production capacity. With the shortage of plastic buckets, we got a little innovative and we actually added this Easy Task refillable cleaning system. It's a wiper. There's a resealable bag in there. So the end use customer can add their solution. And this is really one of my favorite wipers. You can also lug it around real easily with this handle. So we did get innovative with that. With the shortage of disposable gloves, we launched a complete offering of coated and cut resistant reusable gloves. And we have now completed the touch-free restroom offering. We were already accustomed, to your hands-free soap dispenser, your sink, your toilet, but we've also added now the hands-free toilet seat cleaner dispenser, a hands-free FemHigh dispenser, hands-free FemHigh receptacle. And we've covered all of those high touch points in a restroom. We've added more disposable face masks from a level 2 up to a level 3. And we've got kid-size masks and face shields as well. We also got innovative with gloves. We have developed gloves such as the vinyl nitro blend, and we've got more in development that are going to be launched later this year.
So with all these new things that we've done, trying to keep up with these supply challenges, what does the future hold post-pandemic? What are we seeing out there?
I'll start with disposable gloves. We have increased capacity, and we're going to start seeing some cost changes. So nitro availability is starting to open up, but prices will stay high on nitro till about that third quarter before we see those price decreases. Vinyl pricing, though, is trending down very rapidly. And depending on which latex glove you're talking about, some pricing is declining and some are holding steady. Now, on disposable wipers, we've got increased production capacity of dry wipes. We've added a pre-saturated cleaning and disinfectant wipe manufacturing in our Knoxville, Tennessee facility, and that's from the solution production to the finished product. Demand is expected to stay high and increase as new cleaning and disinfecting protocols are put in place and as businesses continue to reopen. As far as face masks and PPE go, we have increased production. The need for masks during the pandemic has changed really how people view the necessity for wearing a mask in certain industries and area of production. So we don't think that's going anywhere.
Now to wrap up our whole presentation, can you please tell everyone in your words why they should partner with Adenna?
As supply challenges go away, distributors are going to want to align themselves with a supplier that can really help them increase those margins in the market share. We take a problem-solving solutions approach with our distributors. It's easy to do business with us, the way we customize our service to our distributors' needs. You would also enjoy, as a distributor, increased revenues and market share through our one-stop shop signature bundle approach, which also would turn into increased margins. By providing solutions and our ability to show our distributors an average savings of about 15 to 20% up against those well-known national brands, we can help them increase their margins and increase wallet share with every end-use customer. And we can help them gain customer loyalty. With the quality and price point of our products combined with our expertise, the private label options, we can help a distributor retain more of that business.
So that's wrapping up our presentation. We wanted to thank everyone for taking the time to sit through our LaunchPad presentation. If you see the contact information on your screen, you can reach out to us about becoming a distributor if you're interested in more products that we've presented here today. And there's actually the booth section of ISA in about 15 minutes. Please come visit us. We would love to talk to you more about any of this information. And once again, we just wanted to say thank you to everyone for sitting here and to stay healthy and stay safe out there. And don't forget to wipe it down with Adenna products.
Wipe it down. Wipe it down. Wipe it down. Wipe wipe it down, wipe, 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 wipe it down, wipe, wipe, wipe it down, wipe, 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 wipe it down, wipe, wipe, wipe it down.